Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Kakan hon lup dak therapeutic solution. Henne kasngi ka apun reu ujuleu. Kala pen banapai ba la Plie ka Jaka Sumar. Yaki hebren bat kibreu kibran jingpang ka bakta. Ya ka bor parkhat bat ka jingte ye utliet ban kran kombolong lam kiwei. U director ka LTS u anit chetri hakji kendo bat kilat pasai kubor. Henne kasngi ulai tho bakani kanong ba shulong kadai kanong ba kabaning kong hakani ka than chati lamingi banyo yakani ka Jaka ajing Sumar hakajing pang Autism bar ulai thoro bala Plie kani ka Jaka ajing Sumar halachumia shulong kabran mar persha bar ke yengsa basa kabaltep kerteng kum ka holiday inn.
The ABA term, which we commonly known as Plie behavior analysis, it's a science. So it's that branch of psychology which deals in bringing a change in behaviors. And what is the change that we talk about is to bring an increase in behaviors which are socially important and decrease those which might stop or which might hinder the learning of someone who is on the spectrum. Okay, so let me also tell you about autism. As we are aware, as I can also see that there were a lot of awareness campaigns going on in Ceylon and in the northeast regions now that people are well known about autism, but still there are many factors on which we are lacking. And to begin with, the first thing that we see when someone is diagnosed with autism or on the spectrum is that we generally have the common idea that the kid is not talking, and due to which the parents generally go meet the professionals and they go for tests, and after which they are not getting any proper help. So where to go and what kind of intervention to take from is where I see that's where we in India as well, not only in the northeast region but also in the metropolitan cities, is where I do not see a proper channelizing or a proper help getting from the professionals as well as doctors, like who to go for or what kind of therapy do we really go for. So this is when we as a behavior analyst, so we come into picture.